Hey there, I'm Kemp-Gerstel. I'm a crafter, I'm a blogger, I'm a television personality, and I'm an instructor for HomeGoods Studio. Today, I am so excited to share with you an idea that I love on how you can use HomeGoods to help elevate your gift giving all throughout the year. There are so many great opportunities all year round to give gifts from HomeGoods. So I thought, why not take a great gift and make it greater with a seriously wow-worthy gift box that is so easy to make, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. When I was dreaming up this project, I was thinking, what would make the gift recipient smile from the moment they opened the box? What if they opened it and there was a flurry of snowflakes, or a cascade of balloons, or shiny red hearts? We can do that with some simple DIY tricks that I'm gonna teach you right now. Whether you're gifting items like this colorful ceramic mug and assorted gourmet teas, or the perfect gift of an at-home spa, including an eye mask, bath bombs, and luxurious lotions, there's really no shortage of awesome personalized gift options at HomeGoods. Now let's get started on making that gift-giving moment even more special. I've gathered all my supplies here, so let me walk you through what you'll need. I have a large gift box featuring this fun birthday balloon pattern. You can always find fun gift boxes like these at HomeGoods for any occasion. You'll also need cardstock, a craft knife, tape, clear string, a tape runner, scissors, and cutouts of paper balloons. And remember, you can use whatever paper cutout shapes you want. Depending on the occasion, you may want to use paper flowers, or snowflakes, or just simple paper dots. First, I'm going to adhere the clear string between two balloon cutouts using tape adhesive. Continue sticking the balloons on the clear string until you have 2 or 3 on each piece. Next, I cut my cardstock so that it fits perfectly with inside the lid of the gift box. It doesn't need to be a snug fit, but you do want it to fit inside. With that complete, I'll use my craft knife to cut small slits into the cardstock. A total of 10 slits randomly placed will work well for the size of this project. Now, I'll thread the clear string through the slits and adhere on the other side of the cardstock with tape. Once you've done this, you'll have a pretty dangling assortment of bright balloons. Now I'll grab my tape runner and apply adhesive to the top of the cardstock. Once that's done, I can adhere this whole thing inside the top of the gift box lid. I'll set this aside and we'll get started on the gift box bottom. For the bottom of the box, I'm going to take my craft knife and cut through the corner. Do this for all 4 corners and then open the box until it's flat. After flattening out the box, I went ahead and covered the inside with white cardstock, just to brighten things up a bit. You don't have to do this step, but it is a fun thing that you can do, and maybe even add more wrapping paper to the inside. Now we're ready to fill up this box with beautiful gifts from HomeGoods. I'm filling my gift box with this pretty ceramic mug and a scented candle that fits right inside. With the gifts in place, let's add some colorful paper shred for an extra element of surprise. Ooh, I just had an idea. If you did this project with paper flowers, you could fill it with green paper shred to look like grass. Or if you use snowflakes, you could use white paper shred, kind of like snow. Okay, that's my idea. I just had to share it. Now let's get back to crafting. Now that the box is filled, it's time to carefully fold the sides in and place that gift box lid on top. Finish it off with a pretty ribbon, and now your wow-worthy gift is ready. Now that the gift is ready, it is so cute. But I have to tell you, I need to sneak a peek at the reveal. Let's do it. Wow, how pretty is that? Thanks so much for joining me to get creative with HomeGoods. Friendly reminder that you can now shop online and in store. And also, I want to see your unboxing creations, so make sure you share them using #HomeGoodsFinds. Thanks so much for joining me. Bye, guys.